Today in this video, we're doing another homeschool project, and we're going to be making a secret the kids don't know.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it. It's a family thing. Here with the Macher gang. It's a family thing. Here with the Macher gang. I know you wanna come and hang. We got Shad, D.I.Y, Leyah and Shad. Y'all really all in my heart. Yeah, it's a family thing. Here with the Macher gang. Gang.
Oh my gosh, I guess what can we be possibly making today? All you're gonna need today in this video for this experiment, I say in this video, I meant for this experiment, guys, if you try this at home, it's safe. And we're gonna see how messy it is. But all you're gonna need is some shaving cream, baking soda, a bowl, and spatula. I got some blue food coloring just to see how it may turn out. So we're gonna have the kids come in here and mix this up together and see how it turns out. All right, I'm gonna insert a little clip of where I got this from if I still have the picture. And yeah, found it off of Pinterest, so yeah, if I still have that picture, I'm gonna insert it in here. If you're new to our channel, what's up? Hello, hey, how you doing? I'm Shad. Welcome to the Macher gang, and we want you to join our gang, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I can't even talk. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join our gang. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video right now. Welcome back, guys, to another video with the Macher gang. We are going to be doing an experiment like I told you guys before. So the kids actually do not really know what all we're mixing up. I mean, they see what we're mixing up, but they don't know what it's gonna make. Okay, so you guys are gonna help see this happen. Let's go ahead and open up our baking soda. And we need 1 cup of this. So we actually gonna use half of this. Where you going? You hiding? You gotta pour this in. You need some shoes?
Yeah.
You want your shoes? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh crap. I'll let Leyah pour half of that box inside. And Shad, you're gonna squirt this inside of the bowl. Go ahead and pour the baking soda in. Pour half the box. I was gonna do the whole thing. Just go ahead and pour the whole box. Why not? Let's put a whole box in there. Okay? And Shad, go ahead and start squirting the shaving cream. Putting it in the bowl though. You need help? Okay, here, hold this. And you'll mix it. Mommy, a squirt.
I actually never seen.
Okay, mix it up. Mix it.
It smells so
I probably used too much shaving cream. I don't know.
It smells so good.
But let me.
I mix it up, Mommy.
Okay, y'all might need a little help. Okay?
Me?
Yeah. Well, that shaving cream smells good. Okay.
Yeah. It really does. Can I spray it?
You can spray it once we get this part down. Okay?
Spray it.
Yeah, once we get this part down. Okay? Okay, I'm about to let Leyah mix. I got it down a little bit. It's starting to come together, but not quite.
Not quite, but it is.
Almost. It's not all the way. So go ahead and finish mixing, Leyah. Shadi, what do you think it is? What do you think it's gonna make?
It's make white. It's make white, Mommy.
Yeah, it is white. That is correct.
I think it's gonna make snow, or I think it's gonna make slime.
Let me see. We need more shaving cream. Mix it. I don't know. It said a cup of each, so I don't know how much.
Can I get the spray things?
12 ounces in here. So definitely can do more. Got it? Yeah. Need help?
It smells so good.
Okay. What do you guys think it looks like?
Mommy, snow.
Yes, this experiment was the fake snow experiment. So the kids are gonna know it's supposed to look like fake snow. Does it look like snow to you guys? It's supposed to feel like snow a little bit and everything. We might have to add some more. What's more to it? Yeah. Do it look like snow to you guys? Okay, now mix. Alright, now it is time to play with it. Oh no, I'm making a mess. Look guys, do it look like snow to you guys?
Ah!
Touch the snow guys. Touch it,
It
Shadi.
feels like snow. For real.
Touch it, ball it up. Can you make a snowball? Make a snow castle.
I'm gonna make a snow castle. It feels like Play-Doh clay and it's like good. Can I paint it and my finger on it?
Yeah, you can put your finger in it, baby. Just don't eat it.
I messed it up.
Here's some more baking soda.
Baking soda. Can I add some more?
Yeah. Gotta mix it more. Watch your hand, Shadi. Got it on his hand, Leah. Here, Shadi. You can wipe your hand off. Here, buddy. Clean your hand.
I'll make it snow.
Hold on. Let's just go ahead and just do it.
The whole thing.
I don't know what you need because I want it to be flippier.
Yeah, snow is weird, but cold. It feels cold. You can do it again, Mommy.
Want to do it again?
Yeah.
You gotta mix this one up first. Oh, it's fluffy. It's fluffy. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Okay, there you go. It's super wet. Like, it's super moist. I think I added too much cream. Let's see inside.
It feels like snow to me on here.
You cut this light off real quick.
Should I do it? Feel the snow? Yeah. Feel it.
See? Like, look at my hand. Touch it, Shadi. You
Okay.
pick it up. I added too much shaving cream, but it's more in place. You see?
Feel mine. It feels not that.
Hold on, let me cut this light off. Okay, so as you can see, this is the snow. That's the snow.
I'm gonna make it, Mommy.
Leyah has her pal over here. I put parchment paper down, some wax paper, because
We're gonna
this experiments get messy. You just throw the whole thing away. So don't be too messy, okay, Malia? Don't slide the paper down, okay? Shadi, what does it smell like to you?
It smells like white.
Do it smell like white?
It smells like wipes, soap, and flowers. Roses.
Did you guys like this experiment?
Yes, first I thought it was gonna be slime. Wait, how about the food coloring?
Okay, you want to do a drop of blue?
Yeah.
Oh my god,
Okay.
got it all on my finger. You might want to use a spatula, just so it don't get on your hands.
Mommy.
You want blue too?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and mix it. Get the spatula and mix it around.
It was like that gum with polka dots.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a blue. Blueberry. Blueberry.
Hold the bowl, Shadi, with that hand. Put your hand on the bowl so it don't move. Hold it in place. Yeah. Now stir it in a circle.
Oh my goodness, it's turning blue. This is the best.
Like ocean snow?
Experiments.
You like this experiment?
Yeah, it feels like ice. Soft.
We'll try it again to actually get it right.
With different colors?
Yeah, that would be nice. But that is the end of this video.
Gang out. Bye, gang. We'll see you in the next video. Can I get this?
Sure. Gang, gang. Gang is out. If you want to join our gang, subscribe to our channel, leave us a huge thumbs up, ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Also, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.
Bye, gang.